things just came back from the Tucson Gem and Mineral Show to my day job. As you know, I sell things out of here, but I also manage this business. This is not my store. However, shiny new things are here, so let's take a look. Since I didn't get to go, we can at least have some fun opening some new boxes. These are really fun. This is a cut and polished slab of copper. Yep, copper ore. Likely came from, where did that come from? Oh, this is from Michigan. It's been coated in epoxy. Very fun. Galena and dolomite. This is fun. So some of these were upstairs. If you saw a live stream I did a while back, kind of sort of rummaging through old stock. This is garnet and schist, and if you've seen my long-form garnet video on the history and lore of garnets, the January birthstone, you'll know that garnet is a silicate mineral that forms in metamorphic rock. Schist is a metamorphic rock, and it is a fun one. But it's used as an indicator stone to determine temperature of host rock formation, because garnets form in a very high temperature situation and environment. And let's turn that flash on. This is a more informal video. Here's some peridot. These are basalt bombs. Big old xenoliths. Oh, this one's cool. I love this one. Look at the color on this. I usually don't care for peridot too much, but I love the green in this piece. Let's come a little bit closer. This one's got a pretty sizable chunk on it. Yeah, I don't like a lot of the color in peridot, but that darker green is very nice. Very, very nice. Little fish fossils. These are trilobites. Mudstone trilobites from Morocco. I said a bunch of goodies coming back. Sorry for the mess. These are some Irish amethyst pieces. That's fun. Allergentum is a silver mineral. I'll try to slow down so people can actually see, so please forgive me for my slowness. It's amethyst from Thunder Bay. Alright. So let's actually open up some of these boxes, because at the end of the day, I know y'all want to be the first ones to see the goodies. Let's see, so what do we got here? This is a soap box. This is probably soapstone carvings. Yep, soapstone carvings. Epoxy slabs. But what's the slab? Ooh, okay. Rainbow fluorite from China. Very nice. Very, very nice. What's this? This is calcite points. This is a monkey box. Come on now. Ooh. Ooh. These are old tri-state calcite points. These are in really good condition too. The Tri-State Lead District, where Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma all met, Pitcherfield, Joplin, Cherokee County, Kansas, was a very prolific mining area. And these are something else. Okay. Oh, these are the ginkgo leaves. More epoxy slabs. What's this? Oh, ooh. Some fluorite octahedrons, some calcite. I love these little octahedrons. Especially the blues. Primary colors in fluorite and such is a little bit more uncommon. It's cute. That is cute. Selenite reading rock. So this isn't everything that came back, by the way. This is just stuff that's ready to go in the store. We've got a bunch of stuff that still needs to be priced out. Oh, cute. Little petrified wood pieces. That's nifty. That's a thumbnail box. Another thumbnail box. PB, that sounds like... PB's usually the signifier of lead, but it looks like we've got some more basalt bombs. We've got, ooh la la. This is tremolite. It's an amphibole mineral from Canada. And that's a cool one. That's what's up. That's nice. Some galena, some malachite on malachite on copper. Oh, that's heavy. All right, putting y'all down. Come on. I need both hands. Okay. Oop. I can cut that out. Lovely calcite piece. Sphalerite piece from Elmwood, Tennessee area. Soapstone PB nails. What are you? Oh, those are spinel twin galenas. But those are really, really weird spinels. Now, dolomite. Oh, that's a no for me, dog. Okay. Yep, nope, I ain't buying you. Whew. Nope, that's that's a pricey one. That's an expensive lad. That is an expensive lad. No, we good. Alright, gypsum pseudomorph. Laberite, very cool. Put that down and off to the side. I want to get into the goodies. Okay, some jewelry products. Okay, this must be a whoopsie box. That happens. Those are thumbnails. Oh, stands. Okay. New stands, always need those. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Hello. More epoxy slabs. These ones are sodalite. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if it fluoresces. Let's find out. Ow, ow my back. Oh, I'm an old man. Oh, I'm an old man. Alright, turn flash off. Don't see anything. Let's go, let's turn off the light. That'll work. That'll work. Yeah, a little tiny bit. Not much, though. That's alright. So sodalite, or fluorescent sodalite specifically, is what causes euperlites to have that bright orange glow. Those are super cool. I like those. Alright. That's another Elmwood box. This is cool. This is probably one of my favorite things to come back. I'd already opened this box. But this is just a huge apatite crystal. And the apatite is quite large. Never leave your apatite at home. But I love this gemmy green look. This is from Canada. This guy's, yeah, fluorapatite, Ontario, Canada. Okay, it's another one of those boxes. I gotta do that, and there we go. Ooh. Yellow fluorite. It's like calcite and barite. That's cool. Oh, here's another tremolite. This is a... yeah. That's another tremolite. Tremolite is an amphibole mineral. Amphibole is a type of silicate. Yeah, that's what's up. So like I said, this is a lot of stuff that is putting you all down again. This is not everything that came back. This is just what's priced out and ready to go in the shop. More little soapstone carvings. Those are always a big hit. Okay. This one says 1 geode. Okay, so this is a Warsaw Formation piece. Keokuk, Iowa, that area, and that's a beaut. Oh yeah, look at that. That is what is up. Let's see, minerals 12, which means there's probably 12 minerals in here. Okay. Some viburnum trend calcite, always nice. Little azurite piece. Now this is fun. This is wavelite. This is from Montgomery County, Arkansas. And you don't see pieces like this coming out anymore. A lot of it's all mined out. There's still a few here and there, but they're not that awesome. Oh, here's a little calcite from Phelps County. That's where I am right now. It's from just north of town. All right, putting you down. I can always cut that out. Oh yeah. Little fossil fish. These are Nidia. This is from the Green River Formation in Wyoming, and there are places and localities that you can go dig for them yourself. A little Canadian piece. What all's here? Microcline with hornblende. It's a lovely little calcite piece from Mexico. Some sphalerite on quartz. This is another Elmwood, Tennessee piece. That's cool. Oh, the fluorite and calcite worms. Some of you have seen that before. Brucite, a lovely little hydrothermal mineral. Comes from Pakistan. It's fun. I like that. That's some good stuff. Orange calcite chunks. Always a crowd pleaser. What do we got here? Ooh, okay. Kyanite. That is really good kyanite too. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That is good stuff. Calcite, some galena and pyrite. Oh, 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 look at this beauty. Some lovely quartz. The kyanite's grown in. That's a fun piece. Well, this is all I'll do for now. Like I said, I've got a lot I need to unpack, unbox, get things ready for. As you might be able to hear, the tumblers are running. Some other lovelies that came back. Oh, there's a little anhydro quartz piece. I'll try to remember to pull that out and see if I can get some good color, or some good picture of the bubble moving. I couldn't quite get a good picture of it earlier. Some zoisite. Sorry, I'm trying to go slow, but at the same time I know that if I go slow, people will complain I'm going too slow. So I'm trying to find a good balance. But yeah, I will do another video once some more stuff's out, and as more stuff comes in, we'll get it unboxed. But as you can probably hear, the tumblers are running. I will get those checked tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.